Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled What is Artificial Intelligence? A Beginner's Guide. When you hear AI, do you think of robots taking over the world or futuristic sci-fi? While those are fun ideas, real-world AI is actually much more practical and, frankly, already all around us. Imagine AI as teaching a computer to think, or learn, like a human. But for specific tasks. As a developer, you're not building Skynet, you're writing code that empowers machines to make smart decisions or recognize patterns, rather than just following rigid instructions. At its core, artificial intelligence, AI, is a field of computer science dedicated to creating machines that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. This includes things like understanding language, recognizing images, solving problems, learning from experience, and making decisions. Think of it as giving your software a brain to figure things out. For a developer, this means moving beyond explicit rule-based programming to building systems that can adapt and infer. How do we make a computer intelligent? The secret sauce is asterisk data and algorithms. Instead of writing a million if-then statements for every possible scenario, we show the computer lots of examples. Imagine you want your AI to identify a cat in a picture. You feed it thousands of cat pictures and non-cat pictures, and the AI learns what features define a cat. As a developer, you're responsible for collecting and preparing this data, and then choosing the right learning method, an algorithm, to train your AI model. AI gives computers several superpowers. 1. Perception. It can see image recognition, like face unlock, and hear speech recognition, like voice assistants. 2. Reasoning and problem solving. It can play complex games, like chess, or find the best route on a map. 3. Learning. It gets better over time with more data and experience. 4. Natural language processing, NLP. It can understand, interpret, and even generate human language. Think chatbots or translation tools. Each of these is a fascinating area where developers can apply AI techniques to build innovative solutions. AI isn't just for labs or sci-fi movies. It's deeply integrated into our daily lives. Netflix, Spotify recommendations. AI predicts what movies or songs you'll like. Voice assistants. Siri, Alexa, Google Assistant. AI understands your spoken commands. Spam filters. AI identifies and blocks unwanted emails. Face unlock on your phone. AI recognizes your unique facial features. Google Maps traffic predictions. AI analyzes real-time data to suggest the fastest routes. As you can see, AI, built by developers like us, is quietly making our lives easier and smarter. Not all AI is created equal. We generally talk about two main types. 1. Narrow AI, ANI. This is what almost all AI today is. It's brilliant at one specific task, e.g., playing chess, recommending products, recognizing faces. Think of it as a highly specialized expert. As developers, we focus on building narrow AI solutions for specific business problems. 2. General AI, AGI. This is hypothetical AI that could perform any intellectual task a human can, learning new skills and reasoning across different domains. This is the sci-fi AI, and we're not there yet. As a developer, AI isn't just a buzzword. It's a powerful set of tools that will revolutionize how you build software, solve complex problems, tackle issues that traditional programming can't handle, create smarter applications, build features like personalized experiences, intelligent automation, and predictive analytics. Boost your career. AI skills are in high demand and open doors to exciting new opportunities. Innovate and automate. Make your applications more efficient, insightful, and user-friendly. Learning AI means adding a powerful new dimension to your coding toolkit. The world of AI is vast and exciting. Don't feel overwhelmed. Start by understanding the core concepts, just like we did today. The next steps will involve diving into specific areas like machine learning, understanding how to work with data, and getting hands-on with coding in languages like Python. The best way to learn is by doing. Embrace the journey, and you'll soon be building your own intelligent systems. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.